Right, today we're gonna bring a set of safety sets, and if you guys can see, the hand pads too, and including with it, they give you a little bag to carry everything around. So we'll give it somebody that's gonna start skateboarding for the first time and want to learn or skate. This is perfect. So remember, the larger ones are for the knee, elbows, and then the hand ones. All right, so include with the bag. So let's go ahead and put it together and see how it looks. The name tag has to be on the front, on the top, all right?
Yeah.
They fit perfect.
Yeah, because then when you fall, it hits this thing. I lost my balance.